Good evening, fifth grade mathematicians. This is Mr. Silman. It is a fine Wednesday evening. I have a surprise for you. I'm only going to let you do one lesson today because of time and how busy you are and how nice it is outside. So I'm going to quickly go through 9.5 and then I'll give you a little bit of homework. And then tomorrow I'll be prepared to show all of this in class tomorrow and we can work on it as well. So the big premise of 9.5, this is going to be very short, is to simplify and multiply fractions. Okay, so it says multiply and simplify first if you can. Doesn't mean you have to, but you can. The easiest way to show you is just to show you the answers. Okay, so if I show you this, okay, here's what they did. They took 2 times 30 over 3 and 2 times 10, which is 2 times 10 over 1. So basically they did this. 30 if I do this, 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. I'm going to highlight that. 4, let's see. Now that doesn't make sense. All right, so what if we do this? What if we say, remember 5, 6, if we do 5, 6 times 4 over 1, it'd be 20 over 6. This is equal, by the way. And then you simplify. 6 goes into 20. We go divide by 2. You get 10 thirds. And then if you break that down into a mixed number, 3 goes into 10 3 times. And there's 1 left over. Okay, so that's this guy right here. All right, so yeah, so this is actually, if you look at 8/16, that's actually 1/2. So it's 7/16 times 1/2. Okay, so here's what they did. Here's where they got the 1/4 and the 1/2. They took 5/20 is 1/4, 7/14 is 1/2, 4/16 is 1/8, 2/21. Well, we can't do that. Ready? 2/16 right here. 2/16 is 1/8. 4/21 is 4/21. You still multiply it out. Okay. This one you can just multiply straight across. 9 times 7 is 63. 10 times 10 is 100. Okay. Here, let's simplify. If we don't, we have to take 15 times 21, which is huge. So let's go 7. Go this way. 7/23 is 1/3. 10/15 is 2/3. Much better. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Again, take some time, practice this. If you need to go back and try to do some of these by yourself, here's this page. Try doing some of these by yourself. Okay, so pause it. And now check your answers to see how well you're doing this. Are you getting it? If not, bring your questions to school tomorrow. Okay? I want you to try some of these problems here. So go ahead and pause it. Here are the answers. And again, if you have any questions, you can bring it to school tomorrow. Because we're not going to do the quick quiz, we can do that tomorrow in class. That's fine. But we do have some homework and remembering. So I want you to do 9.5, all of it, the whole page, from top to bottom. Do it the same way we just did if you go back through the lesson. And then if you turn the page, I want you to skip this whole page. You're welcome. You're welcome. Make sure that you bring any questions to school tomorrow. Alina, I will catch you up tomorrow. I know you were gone for a couple days. And Brady, settle down. And Jocelyn, get your work done. That is all. I hope you have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow in class.